Hi guys, in this video I'm just going to unbox this Joby Action Chip kit and pole pack. This one I'm just going to unbox, actually how to connect this, how to assemble this. So it's very simple. I'll take it out. Yes, I just took it out. And you will get this roller for both sides. Both sides you'll get it. And one for camera that you're going to fit this here. Actually, you're going to fit this camera here. So this one. And 3 connecting poles. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm just going to connect this first. And so once you connected the pole, you need to add this right first thing you need to add here. This one actually, this side I'm going to add this. So I'm gonna connect this now. Don't make it too much tight, just try to, because we need to lose this. Need to tighten this down. Actually, I'm gonna add this one. So you see this is you need to lock this and close this as well. Just tighten it. You will have some in this package. In this package you will get it something like this kind of wires. You will get it actually. You will get these 2 wires. You need to just knot like this. Just you need to put like this. You got it right. So you need to have like this. So once you got this, you need to put it on the wheel actually. And this wheel you need to. You need to match this actually. So once I felt like a little bit tight, and I'm just going to put the lock here. I'm just going to put the lock here now. So I felt it's a little bit, just want to make it tight. I have my own piece. I have my own camera here. Just gonna fit this here. So I have my GoPro 5 here actually. So this one I'm just going to fit this on the hole. So I just made it tight now. So this one right, I made it tight. So my GoPro camera's fit now. So now I can swell. See this? Now my camera will work it like this. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye.